Repotting lemon tree requires some important points to be considered, that we will learn today. If you follow up this guide, your lemon tree doesn't go under a transplant shock, and continue to grow as well. The most important point in lemon tree repotting is to do it in a right season. You can repot your lemon plant in the early spring days, and in the rainy season as well. In winters the lemon tree undergoes on a dormancy condition, so avoid repotting in winter days. Quality of soil mix also plays a big role in keeping the lemon tree out of shock and stress. Citrus plants loves to be grown in a well-draining soil mix. The dieback disease is also very common in lemon plants. So to avoid this thing, try to use a well-draining, loose soil mix. Simply mix a part of cocopeat and sand in a half part of cow dung compost, and our soil mix is ready to use. Before coming to roots, choosing a good size container is also important. As we talking about growing lemons in containers, therefore a big size pot is the primary need of lemon roots. Because lemon plant is a tree type plant, and requires to be repotted every year, therefore choosing at least a 15 to 20 inches pot is extremely important. Lemon plants are very frequently available in all local nurseries, in the starting springs and whole winters also. Such type of covering seems to be around the root bowl. You can put the lemon roots in the water for at least 10 to 15 minutes. It helps to reduce the effect of shock. If you are going to repot a potted plant, follow the same method. Get the root bowl out of the pot and let it in the water. After a while you can get it out of the water. All the roots must be visible now. Make sure you are doing all of this at the evening time. Make a hole in the center of the soil and put your lemon roots in it. And add more soil around it. Level the soil and hit the pot slightly with the ground. You can use any such type of tool to remove air gaps. Press the soil slightly. And now it's time to water the plant. For this time, make the soil fully moist. For some time, maybe the leaves curls like this, that is perfectly normal and will go straight after a while. Put this plant under a shade, and as the new growth appears, you can move it to the sunny spot. For any question leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.